What the hell? You gotta be kidding me. Oh my God. What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. Now, as you can see in this backdrop, right, as I'm rolling it down, there are these crinkles that's just aggravating to deal with. Now, usually when we have a backdrop that comes that's messed up, we send it back, try to get our money back, get a refund, all of that good jazz. But the problem with this one is that crinkle came later, so I never would have seen it when I first rolled this out. But what I'm gonna do is I'm still going to shoot on this. And the reason why is because I have a way of editing that. Now, the reason why we like to send this back is it could be a pain in the butt to get rid of all of that. Like that, just editing that alone can take you an extra, let's just say 5, 10, 15 minutes that you may not wanna deal with when it comes to editing photos. Best thing is, I'm gonna get rid of this in 3 sliders, right? Or 3, let's just call it sliders, in 3 sliders. And this software has made it so easy for me to like disregard things like that, or like even shooting on white backdrops alone. You get all of these shoe marks and stuff like that, and we get it out of there quick, so quick. So come along for the ride for the photo shoot. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how towards the end that I like to get rid of these right here. So without further ado, let's jump into the photo shoot. Huh?
Recording it?
Yeah. These. I'm gonna just keep going. Yeah, perfect. Can we switch since I'm coming from this? Yep, perfect. And I'm gonna just keep snapping. The hair on your shoulder though. Perfect. Perfect. I wanna get it really close to the So let me get that one pose and see. Actually, stay like that. You keep giving me the poses. I don't even got it. All right, cool. Let me see if I gotta change the light. All right, that look good. You see yourself?
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
Stay just like that. Let me come from a different angle. Stay like that. Yeah. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. So like that for me. Yep, yep. Nice. Do me a favor, I want you to put your hair back up just a little bit like you did, yep, and I want you to look over that way. Yeah, like that. Stay like that for me. No, they're not the camera. Perfect. Okay, so now here we are in Evoto, and I'm going to go over a few things, but remember the main part about this is cleaning the backdrop. Now here I have 4 photos. This photo, I got the camera in the shot, you know, with some stuff right here. This is the stuff that we was talking about with the wrinkles in the paper. On this photo, just some wrinkles in the paper.
Same thing with this photo at the top left, some wrinkles in the paper. Then the shot like this that we usually get where we have our light modifiers, maybe some paper from the backdrop and stuff like that. I just want to show you guys how easy it is to clean that. So we're going to start with the first photo. And the best thing about it is once we do this with this photo, I'll literally get to copy and paste it to everything else and it applies. So I'm just going to go with a preset that I usually use in Evoto that I use to edit a lot of the people that I edit. It works pretty good. Let's see what it does here. I would say that it did a pretty good job. Now, one thing that I will say is they actually have this new beta feature, right? And I know this is about the backdrop, but I found this to be cool actually. And if you want to get rid of tattoos, it's this new feature where you can just click that and it removes the tattoo. I saw that the other day and I was like blown away, but with all of the updates, it just seems to blow me away. All right, so here we are. Now what we want to do is we want to navigate over to the background adjustments. And if you remember, I said 3 slider, which was really just like these 3 right here that I usually do, which is your distraction remover, your clean backdrop, and your banding. Now banding, the reason why I would do banding with this is this actually kind of looks like a banding, if you know what a banding is. So let's just start with the first one, right? Now, as you see, it pretty much extended the backdrop. It went from this with the camera, fixed it, 1 click. Then we go clean backdrop. Now clean backdrop is going to get those shoe marks and all type of things like that. Now it did a little job on this, but once I hit the banding, that's when you're really going to see this get cleaned up. So from this right here to this, right? Now remember I said that we can take all the adjustments we did and put it on everything else. So let's go ahead on and do that. First I'll click this, leave my hand on shift, highlight everything else, and then just click sync. And now it is syncing it to these 3 images right here. So when I click this, you will notice once it gets finished, boom, it's done. So that was before, this is after. And keep in mind, it also is adding my edits that I have on the photo as well. Let's go to this photo right here. Same thing. This was before, this was after. It's just a fantastic way of cleaning the backdrop. And then let's go with this one because I really think it did an amazing job right here. Remember, this is the photo that we used that had the backdrop and the modifier. It looked like this, okay? And that quick, it went from that to that with just these right here. See, if I uncheck it, brings it back, check it, takes it away. Now it does not get any easier than that right there. As I always say, if you have any questions on Evoto, just leave it in the comment section. Usually, you know, we do sponsorships. This video, however, isn't sponsored and I don't have a link, right? Like an affiliate link or anything. I'll reach out to them and see if they have any type of discounts. And if so, you just see that in the description. I just put it there for you. But if not, I'm just going to put just the regular evotoai.com, I believe the website is, just so you can check it out. It works on a credit system. I have multiple Evoto videos on the channel, so feel free to check those out as well. Let me know in the comment section what you think, because this is really a game changer when it comes to cleaning the backdrops. A lot of people hate shooting in the studio because they hate spending that extra time cleaning the backdrop. This also lets you be able to preserve paper a little bit more without you always having to cut the paper 24/7, which can be annoying and very costly. So like I said, this is Ryan Troy, and until the next time, peace.